Today we're getting into the 10 best colognes for beginners because every guy needs to smell as good as he looks. Now if you're just getting started on your fragrance journey and don't know where to begin, I've got you covered. We are talking about fragrances that are versatile, timeless, and guaranteed to pull compliments whether you're headed to the office, out on a date, or just out and about. No fluff, no confusion, just ones that get the job done. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to all the fragrances we talked about on today's video if you wanna grab one or two for yourself. So sit back and let's help you step up your scent game. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any of all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Brian Harris, salute. Now we're going to kick off our list of the 10 best colognes for beginners with a no-doubt choice. You can't go wrong with Dolce Gabbana's Light Blue. It's fresh, it's clean, it's easy to wear, you don't have to overthink it, it just works. It has a crisp, citrusy, aquatic vibe that smells like summer in a bottle, but you can wear it for more than just those hot months. I'm talking early spring to late fall. Great for warm weather, casual days, or at the office. It's fresh, it's spicy, it's woody, it's aromatic. It has notes such as grapefruit, bergamot, pepper, and musk. So it's fresh, crisp, and citrusy, but still has a nice hint of warmth. And let's be real, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, it's hard to mess this one up. If you're just starting out on your fragrance journey, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue has you confident without trying too hard. It's stylish, it's smooth, it's safe. Everything that a beginner cologne should be. Now, next on the list, we have a fantastic fragrance that I've been recommending since this channel started, and I probably always will. It's a 2006 release that's a modern classic. It's woody, it's earthy, aquatic, and crisp. You can't go wrong with Terre de Mes. Terre de Mes is an excellent choice for the beginner who's trying to step into his grown man phase. Class and confidence written all over it. It's very balanced, very versatile. It opens up with a fresh burst of citrus, heavy on the orange. But then the orange calms down, you get some grapefruit, and then as it settles down throughout the day, it becomes warmer, earthier, and greener. It has that spicy, crisp, earthy scent with just the right amount of hint of sweetness. It has a masculine vibe that tells people I've arrived. And I believe it's one of the most timeless colognes on this list. It's perfect for the guy who wants to stand out, but in a subtle, sophisticated way. It's a signature scent in the making and a smooth introduction to grown man fragrance style. Now, next up on the list of the 10 best beginner colognes, I have another one that I've been standing by and recommending for years. It's marine, it's salty, it's woody, it's crisp. You can't go wrong with Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt. To me, Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt is a slept-on gem for the beginner guy who wants to stand out but in a subtle, quiet way. This isn't your trendy club-hopping fragrance. It's sophisticated, it's elevated, it's smooth. It's just one of those effortless, refined fragrances. Think about a cool, crisp breeze, driftwood, and just a hint of salt in the air. That's what this puts you in the mind of. Composed of notes such as sage, amberette seed, salt. It's light, it's airy, it's crisp, it's citrusy, but with just the right amount of hint of warmth underneath. It's a great cologne if you want to project refined, but relaxed. Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt is the perfect beginner cologne for the guy who values understated elegance. Now, next up on the list, we have what I believe is another modern day classic, a fantastic 2008 release that I highly recommend you wear on a first date. You can't go wrong with Dolce & Gabbana's The One. Dolce & Gabbana's The One, you get an amber, fresh, spicy, tobacco type feel. It's perfect for the guy who wants to wear a fragrance that's smooth, classy, and elegant. To me, Dolce & Gabbana's The One smells like a tailored blazer in a bottle. It's warm, refined, and perfect for those close encounters on that date. You get a rich blend of tobacco, amber, rum, touch of spice, but it's never too loud, never too aggressive. Date night killer, perfect for evenings out on the town, or anytime you want to leave a lasting impression. It's smooth, it's cool, and it's a great selection if you want to start out with a fragrance that makes you unforgettable. Now, next up on the list, we have a woody, aromatic, fresh, crisp scent that I believe is one of the best candidates for a signature scent for the refined beginner fragrance guy. To me, this is easily could be a mature man's signature scent. You can't go wrong with Tom Ford's Gray Vetiver. When you throw on Tom Ford's Gray Vetiver, it says confident, it says sharp, it says put together. To me, Tom Ford's Great Vetiver is sophistication in a bottle. This is the type of cologne that makes people think you have your life in order, even if you're still working on it. It's perfect for the office, evenings, or anytime you want to command quiet respect. It's mature, it's crisp, it's timeless. Perfect for the beginner guy who's not a beginner in life. You're mature, you're grown, and this is the type of cologne that says to the world, I have boss man sophistication. Now next up, we have what is hands down the absolute best cologne to start your fragrance journey if you want to do it without breaking the bank. You're not even sure if you're going to like colognes. For you, I recommend Nautica Voyage. Now Nautica Voyage is the first cologne many people recommend when you want something affordable for a reason. It's fresh, it's crisp, it's citrusy, floral, it's powdery, very balanced, easy to wear, and probably one of the best summer colognes, no matter what the price. Gives you a fresh, crisp, citrusy, straight out of the shower feel, especially with its different notes like crisp green apple, cucumber. It's the perfect cologne if you want that aquatic breeze feel that's great for warm weather wear, but you can wear it year round. Nautica Voyage is light, it's easygoing, and super safe. Something you definitely want to grab if you're just now dipping your toe into the fragrance waters. It's great for the office, the gym, casual weekends, and the best part, it smells way more expensive than it is. Fresh, green, well-balanced, and it won't break the bank. You can never go wrong starting your fragrance journey with Nautica Voyage. Now, next up on my list of recommendations for beginners when it comes to colognes is one I find myself reaching for immediately when that fall crisp weather gets here. It's amber, it's tobacco, it's crisp, it's rum. You definitely can't go wrong with Maison Margiela's Replica Jazz Club. Replica Jazz Club is a fragrance that's amber, it's sweet, it's smooth, it's boozy. It's perfect for the beginner fragrance guy who wants to try something a little more rich, a little more seductive. Think cozy leather chairs, a glass of rum, and a dimly lit lounge. Jazz Club brings you warm tobacco along with sweet vanilla. It has a boozy richness that's intimate and very masculine. It's perfect for date nights, fall and winter outings, anytime you want to leave a strong impression without shouting. If you want a great cool to cold weather cologne as you start your fragrance journey, I highly recommend Maison Margiela's Replica Jazz Club. Now, next up on the list of the 10 best colognes for beginners, I have a woody, aromatic, fresh, citrusy scent that was released in 2021. I highly recommend you check out Burberry Hero Eau de Toilette. With Burberry Hero, you get a clean, citrusy, crisp, versatile fragrance you can wear year-round. It's a great choice if you want something modern, masculine, and effortless. Right out of the gate, it hits you with a fresh burst of bergamot, crisp, energetic, and refreshing. Warm cedarwood and pepper, and then it settles into a grounded, woodsy vibe that's balanced and not too heavy. This is one of those colognes that's versatile enough for year-round, everyday wear. Think work, casual weekends, or running errands with style. This is a great cologne if you want something that doesn't scream. You want one with quiet strength. If you're just getting into fragrances and you want something fresh, clean, and versatile, but still grown man appropriate, Burberry Hero Eau de Toilette is a great selection. Now, next up on the list, we have one of my absolute personal favorites, especially when the warm weather's gone away and it gets a little colder outside. It's leathery, it's tobacco, it's boozy, chocolatey warm with a hint of sweet. I highly recommend you check out the original Valentino WMO. Now, when we're talking about a fragrance that's luxurious yet approachable, this is one of those. It's seductive, it's rich, it's refined, it's elegant. Think rich chocolate, hazelnut, and smooth leather, all blended to give you a refined, sophisticated Italian vibe. To me, Valentino WMO, when you apply it, feels like slipping on your best tailored suit with a touch of flair. Perfect for date nights, evening outings, or wearing throughout the cold weather months, especially if you want to smell polished and unforgettable. It has just the right balance of charm and confidence. So if you're looking for fantastic cold weather cologne that's alluring, seductive, rich, yet sweet, you can't go wrong with the original Valentino WMO. Now, next up on the list, we have a fresh, citrus, aromatic, modern-day classic. A 2015 release that's a bestseller year after year for a reason. One of the best beginner colognes, Dior Savage. A lot of people think Dior Savage is the ultimate beginner cologne for a great reason. The scent is fresh yet bold, but still incredibly versatile. You get a punch of juicy bergamot up front, backed by some spicy pepper. Then it finishes up with a clean ambroxan that gives it its signature masculine edge. And Dior Savage, despite its popularity, is a compliment magnet. Women absolutely love it, and it works just about everywhere. On a date, at the office, casual weekends, daytime, nighttime, fall, winter, spring, summer, you name it, Dior Savage works. The great thing about it is powerful but still manages to be very easy to wear. It's smooth, it's effortless, it's versatile. Everything that a beginner cologne should be. Okay, so there you have it. My list of 10 of the best beginner colognes. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section any recommendations you have for the Style O.G family that's just beginning their fragrance journey. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about the 15 greatest colognes of all time. You can check it out right here.